Hey designers, let's apply holographic effect here. Take the pen tool. Make sure path is selected here.
Make the selection with the pen tool.
Click on selection. OK. Now take Marquee tool. Right-click. Layer via copy. Press Ctrl-T, change position, adjust scale. Make the blending mode screen. Now with Polygon Marquee tool. Make a selection. Go to Adjustment panel. Gradient. Select the gradient color. I'll choose violet. Now reverse. OK. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Apply the blur value that suits your design. OK. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.